Okay, today we're going to take a look at this used Fram Ultra oil filter, number XG3593A. And you can get this filter new at Rock Auto for $8.31 plus shipping. But you may be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. And a viewer sent me this oil filter. His name is Doug Davis from Peoria, Illinois. Thanks, Doug. And this came off his 2000 Honda CRV. Yep, one with the 2.0 liter engine, which has 179,252 miles. And the oil filter was in use for 3,353 miles. So I say let's cut this filter open and see what's inside. So let's get started.
This is a for you gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration inner here.
Okay, let's take a quick look at this oil filter before we cut it open. This is a sticker, and I couldn't find a day code on this anywhere. But right here it says Made in USA, and she has 12 inlet holes. Looks like a bypass valve down below, metal core with holes, nitro rubber gasket, which is on there pretty good. I mean, sometimes they get really heated on there. Got a good thickness to it too. I'll just put that aside for now. And the threads, it's got about three or four threads there. I have a feeling this is the older style one with the metal screen backing. I can't really tell in the holes there. I can't really tell. Alright, let's cut her open. Okay, a little bit of oil there. Let's take a look at her. Dump that out on this. There. Okay, silicone anti-drain back valve. Looks good. Yeah, it fits nicely right over those holes. Yeah, that all looks good. Okay, and the filter element. Uh-oh. Well, this ain't gonna come out. You know why? Because the filter got a little, he squeezed it a little bit when it was, Doug must have squeezed it a little when he was taking it off. Must have gave him a hard time. So I'm having a feeling I'm gonna have to pry this baby out. Oh, I got it. Wow. Well, it came out. Got a little bit of a gap there. It's nothing. Crimp seam. I'll count the pleats and I'll put them up here. And he was using a Pennzoil Platinum 5W30 oil for the last 4 OCIs. But this is a synthetic blend media, and it's 99% at 20 microns. And I'll actually put a I'll put the rating of it on the screen right now. You guys can take a quick look at it. But yeah, the metal end caps, they look fine. Plates look fine. Yeah, this looks like the wire backed filter. So it's the older one. At least that's what I think. Yeah, let's look at the rest of this filter. Still got some oil in here. Bypass valve. That looks good. Let's take a quick measurement of this filter. Can 0.39 millimeters. You know, yeah, it's going up. I'll call it 0.41 millimeters. It's about average, 0.4 to 0.5. Let's get the width. 1.73 inches wide. Okay, I say we cut this open, stretch her out. I'll squeeze all the oil out of it and see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here she is stretched out, and she's 43 inches long. Okay, and here I took a small sample, even though it's probably got some oil in it, but 0.90 millimeters. You can see I'm not squeezing it too tight. See? Slips right out. You know, it's got some oil in it, so it's going to be probably a little thicker than normal. But this filter media is pretty clean. See if I can get you guys closer down here. You can see little sparkles. Little sparkles throughout. There's one. Let's see if I can catch it with a magnet. I don't know if you just saw that in normal speed, but a tiny metal flake jumped to the magnet. So I slowed down the video so you can see it. I didn't notice this before, but I noticed it when I was editing the video. Okay, back to the video. I don't know that. I think I just pushed it maybe. See if we can get another one. I seen one here earlier and now I can't even see it. Where the rubber band is. Okay, here we got a couple. So let's try to get this one. No, it's not magnetic. If it was, it'd grab it. Nope. That one probably was. Can't really see it though. And there's one right here. But actually it's pretty clean. Not much soot either. Right here. Nah, these ain't magnetic. Pretty clean. I'd say Doug's engine is running nice and clean. Right here's one. Nope, not magnetic. Let me just try picking that up with my finger for the heck of it. It might not even have been any metal. That's just something else. But yeah, it's clean filter. Let's look at the rest of it. So we got the metal backing, like I thought. This will never tear. Yeah, so you got the metal backing. And metal core, they could put a few more holes in this. You know, that seems like you could put another row here and another row here. Because it's definitely strong. It's kind of short anyway, so bypass valve, that's nice. It's a large one. And I noticed, well, base plate's nice too. Nice silicone drain back valve. I noticed there's like a little bit of, almost looks like a little bit of sludging going on here. See this? Just a little bit. Yeah, that doesn't look as clean. I mean, for 3,000 something miles, I would have thought it'd be cleaner than that. No, that might be the way these engines run. But filter media looks great. Well, I want to thank Doug for sending me this oil filter. Thanks, Doug. And I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. Right in the center.